Here we go. That was Haitian Cuisine with Minou. Right here in the kitchen. Hey, son. Hey, son. Okay, guys, so there's the fish. Okay, as you guys can see, it's all done. We just made full G and sauce, full chicken and sauce with green sauce pois and white rice. So I don't know what you guys think. That's it right here. That's my sauce pois and my rice. And I'm sure it tastes amazing. So don't forget to tell me where you're watching from. Next time I can send you a shout out. Like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel please, and share with your friend and family. So next time that I'm live or next time I pop out the video, so you can be notified. Stay tuned and keep watching. Hey, right? I didn't see you were on. I get Jerome. Thank you. Cook well done. Thank you so much, I get. Welcome. Welcome to Haitian Cuisine with Minou. And I hope that you liked it. Thanks for stopping by. Ta-da.